We are on the ultra-wide setting on the DJI Osmo Action 4. We are at the top of the Eiffel Tower. So here I am, right underneath the Eiffel Tower, right in the middle. I thought it would be a good shout to put this camera's ultra-wide setting to the ultimate test up the top of the Eiffel Tower. I'm kind of curious to see what the 360 views of the whole of Paris is going to look like up there on this. Bonjour. Right then, here we go. I can't believe I'm here. Just about to go right at the top. The last time I was here, it must have been years ago. It was like 15 years ago. I came here with my camper van. I ended up going to the top. It's quite high, like, it's enough for the faint-hearted. So here's some facts about Paris and the Eiffel Tower. So apparently there's over 700 steps to get at the top, but you can't actually walk all the way at the top. You have to get a lift on the second floor or third floor, I think. So yeah, so you can walk all the way to there and then you have to get a lift. You don't have to walk if you don't want to, actually. You can just take the lift all the way from the bottom. You get that lift all the way to the second or third floor, and then you get another lift to the top. But we're walking today because I'm not a halfer. Did you know Paris isn't actually the original name for this city? It actually changed its name. It never used to be called Paris. Whew, I'm getting out of breath now. The Eiffel Tower opened in 1889. And believe it or not, it was actually a ready colour, whereas now it's like more of a brown colour. A decade later, after it opened, it was actually painted yellow. Can you imagine what it would look like? Yellow. Whew. But yeah, so it's a brown colour now. It actually starts off dark brown at the bottom, and as you work your way up, it gets lighter and lighter. Apparently, it's something to do with the aesthetics for the sky. Check this out. Looks like a roller coaster. I've actually found loads of stuff out about this place, making this video, preparing for it anyway. So apparently there's a penthouse on the top of here. Who the hell lives at the top of it? And what the hell do they do when they need milk? We're actually coming up to the first floor here. Check it out. Right, no rest for the wicked. On we go. Can you believe the Eiffel Tower was actually nearly destroyed in World War II? Eiffel Tower's nickname. Anyone know it? I'll give you a clue. You got it yet? The Iron Lady. Obviously, that's what the whole thing's built of, iron. So I don't know if I'm just imagining this, but I just stopped there. And if I really, really concentrate, I feel like I can feel the whole thing moving. Whew, I'm getting out of breath. So this thing's made to actually move in the wind. It's something to do with its structure, so that it helps it stay up. That sounds baffling, doesn't it? But something to do with the foundations. It's actually built to sway a little bit in the wind. So on a really windy day right at the top, you can actually feel the whole thing move. That's a scary thought, especially when I'm on my way to the top. So because of its iron material, in the sun, it actually swells a little bit, the whole material like expands. So in the summer months, it's actually said that the whole thing lifts up about a few centimeters. So it's actually taller in the summer than it is in the winter. How mental is that? I'm starting to get a bit scared now. Obviously I'm making this film and I'm not concentrating on the fact of where I am. It's getting really, really, really high. So the Eiffel Tower's got a connection with America. It's actually the cousin of sorts to the Statue of Liberty. So when we get to the top, we're going to put this camera in the ultra-wide setting. And I'm really curious to see what it's actually, what it looks like, because obviously the views up here are probably the best you're ever gonna get in Paris. So I'm gonna put this camera to the test and see what it looks like. I'm assuming it's gonna look pretty spectacular. So, oh look, there's the lift. They're the halfers who don't want to do the stairs, whereas the idiots are on the stairs out of breath. God, it just keeps going up and up. We're coming up to the 3rd floor. I can't believe we've still got all of that to go. It didn't work. Right, this is the 4th floor. So this is the last floor that you can actually get to on foot. You actually go the rest of the way via jet plane. No, I'm joking. Via lift. I really don't like lifts, especially hundreds of meters up in the air. Right, see if we can get some tickets to get the lift. What the hell is that? Better be focused. Ah, that's cool. Check that out. That's miles better than this. Got change as well. That's wicked, that. Awesome. believe it or not, there's actually another floor. So we're going to go and check that out. I can't believe we're going to get higher than this. That is ridiculous. Right, let's go and get us some champers. Champagne? Can I pay with this?
No, sorry.
It's the 14th of February today. So happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Right, it's really windy up here. Wow. I think we're going to have to make our way down. I can actually feel this thing moving. It's really windy. But the champagne's good. Right, I think that's it, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in for another video from the top of the Eiffel Tower. I'm checking out. Go on, mate. Like and subscribe, I dare you.